ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। Can repeat. Alpaksharam asandikdham
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवत् विश्वतो मुखम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
युन्
अयुन्
ऋलक्
ऋलक्
एओङ्
एओङ्
ऐ औच्
ऐऔच्
हयवरट्
हयवरट्
लण्
लण्
न्यामाङ्गणम्
न्यामाणम्
गभै
जभैं
गढदश्
गढधश्
जबगढदश्
जबगढधश्
खपछठथ चटतौ
हछठथचटतौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर्
शशर
हल्
हल्
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
अकुह विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुह विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां तालु
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा
ऋतुरषाणां मूर्धा
पुतुलसानां दन्ताः
लुलसानां दन्ताः
उपोपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपपद्मायानाम् ओष्ठौ
न्यामाङ्गनानां नासिका च
न्यामानानां नासिका च
एतयोः कण्ठतालु
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
ओदौतोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
ओदौतोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
अकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
जिह्वा मूलीयस्य जिह्वा मूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते
रामं रमेशं भजे
रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेण विहता निशाचरचमूः
रामेण निशाचरचमूः
रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरम्
रामानास्ति परायणं परतरम्
रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे
ओ राम मामुद्धर
ओ राम मामुद्धर
Unmute your mic now. We'll continue from where we left. We know the meaning of Yeshaha, Saha, Ayam,
Yes, Guruji.
all the we have been practicing. So let us start the exercise directly. I don't want to give any introduction. So Parulji, you can read. The last class we stopped with this line. So we are continuing from here. The last class I told Tada Grantaha. I tell the meaning. Tada Grantaha is palm book, palm leaf, leaflets. Okay.
Yes, Guruji.
Parulji, you can start reading. You can unmute your mic and read.
Sorry, sir. Ayam pachakah, imo pachakau, ime pachakaha.
Pachakaha, the same mistake you are committing.
Pachakaha. Then Dwarpal, no?
Dwar, not Dwarapala, Rakshaka, next one.
Rakshaka. Eshah, Rakshakah, Eto, Rakshakau, Ete, Rakshakaha. फिर अभिनेता सह अभिनेता तो अभिनेतो
No.
ते correct sir?
No.
तो अभिनेतो
No, it is not correct. How do you get Abhineto?
अभिने it is आकारंत शब्द no?
If it is Akaranta, why it is Abhineta?
हाँ true शब्द ना?
It is not true. It is Rikaranta.
रुकारंता. So
like
that was
Kartra Shabda. Abhinetru is a Pratipadika. Abhinetru means actor.
हाँ. So अभिनेता त्रो no? अभिनेत्रो
No. You have to remember all the Shabda. That's why I said I'm not revising the Shabda. Rikaranta. Try to memorize, please, all the Shabdas, whatever we have seen.
तो अभिनेत्रो.
No. It's okay. It's okay. Hold on. Next, anybody?
Abhinetaro.
Very good. Tau Abhinetaro. And Bhagavachanam?
अभिनेतारः
अभिनेतारः
How do you decline Kartra Shabda? Anybody?
पिता पित्रो पितरः
No.
No, Vakta,
कर्ता,
Vaktarau, Vaktarau,
कर्तारः
Karta, Kartaro, Kartaraha, Vakta, Vaktaro, Vaktaraha. It is age and noun based. Declension is different. You have to check the Shabda. You have to read the Shabda again. Anyway, continue.
एष शंकराचार्य एतो शंकराचार्यो
No, you have to read properly. Reading is not proper.
एतो
Yeshaha, listen. First you have to listen. Yeshaha Shankaracharyaha.
ओके सर
Etau Shankaracharyau. First listen.
हाँ
Etau Shankaracharyau. Every letter Ucharanam should be proper.
ओके
It is not just grazing over quickly. No. Shankaracharyau. Ete Shankaracharyaha. That is about to be read. Okay, next person, Nakoshi.
सः oh yes सः sub
Vara. Vara.
oh yes
I violated, right? That's
सः yes yeah no I see yes सः द्वारपालः तौ द्वारपालौ ते द्वारपालाः सः अर्जुनः
what is Dwarapala?
द्वारपाल
doorkeeper,
Yeah, gatekeeper is a security. Dwarapala means security.
second okay सः so सः अर्जुनः तौ अर्जुनौ ते अर्जुनाः अयं दाता इमौ दातारौ इमे दातारः
Good. Yeah.
अयं जिज्ञासुः इमौ जिज्ञासु इमे जिज्ञासवः
Good. Okay. Next person, Akanksha.
एषः चापः एतौ चापौ एते चापाः अयम् अग्निः इमौ अग्नि इमे अग्नयः सः पिता तौ पितरौ ते पितरः एषः इषुः एतौ इषु एते इषवः.
Good. Next person. Deepika.
yes, Guruji.
I hope all of you understand the meaning of these words. Chapaha
Yes.
is bow, Agni, and all you know. Pita.
Yes.
Ishu is arrow.
एषः पंडितः एतौ पंडितौ एते पंडिताः अयम् उपदेशः इमौ उपदेशौ इमे उपदेशाः सः शास्त्रज्ञः तौ शास्त्रज्ञौ ते शास्त्रज्ञाः एषः आरक्षकः एतौ आरक्षकौ एते आरक्षकाः
Rakshaka is
uh,
police.
police
And Shastragyaha is
one
One.
who knows shastras.
Shastram, yes. Shastram Janati iti Shastragyaha. Okay. So Saha, that's what we saw. Saha meaning that or he. Now, Bivachanam, Tau. Next person can read. Again, Priyaji. Usage of Tau,
Yes, sir.
Prathama Vibhakti, Bivachanam. What is the Pratipadikam of Tau?
Tau is tad.
Tat Shabda. Dakarantaha, Pullingaha, Tad Shabdaha.
Shabdaha.
Yeah, please read.
Tau shukau. Tau ashvau. Tau brahmanau. Tau vriddau.
Yes. So depending on the noun, you have to translate Tau as either they two or those two. Okay. So all these are Vivachanam. Shuka is what is the meaning of Shuka? Parrot.
Parrot.
Okay. Again, Priyachi, continue. We can read this.
Yes, ji.
Read the following sentences and understand.
Imau tarunau. Etau.
You can tell the meaning also.
Tarunau, I don't know, ji.
Anybody? Taruna is Tarunas Tavas
Young-
Taruni
young-
Saktaha.
young boy.
man.
Young.
Young boy.
Bhajagovindam it comes. Balas Tavat Krida Saktaha. Tarunas Tavat Taruni Saktaha. Vriddhas Tavat Chinta Saktaha. Pare Brahmani Gopina Saktaha. Taruna is young man. Taruni young woman. Okay, continue.
Etau bhushakau. Imau,
Mushaka. What is Mushaka?
this mouse.
Hmm.
Imau vidyalayau, college.
Okay.
Etau shukau.
Cool. Okay, college also fine. You can say. Mahavidyalaya is university.
Ha.
Okay, continue.
Etau shukau.
Okay, next person. Subbalakshmi.
Etau Rakshakau, protector. Etau Dhirau, washerman.
No.
Ah,
Dhiraha. Why washerman?
Dhirau, Veera.
Dhira. Dhira is the one who is courageous. Dhiraha. In Gita, it is used in the sense of Viveki. Dhiraha. Washerman is Rajakaha.
Rajakaha.
Rajakaha is washerman. If it is okay, I don't know why you said washerman. If it is, I think you confused with the word fisherman, right?
Yes.
Probably.
Yes, sir.
Fisherman is Dhivara. That is Dhivara. Here Dhiraha. Fisherman is Dhivara. Okay.
Yes, Guru.
Understand the difference. One letter is missing in between.
Yes, Guru.
Dhiraha, Dhivaraha. There's a difference. Yes.
Imau Padau, foot.
Hmm.
Etau Rama.
Okay. Continue. Next one also.
Tau Chatakau.
Chatakau.
Chatakau, I don't know.
Chataka is a bird. It is a bird mystical, not mystical, the bird mentioned in the Purana that it survives only on the rainwater. It doesn't take water from the earth, from the water earth surface. It waits for the rain, only rainwater it takes. Chataka. Ramakrishna Paramahamsa used to mention this Chataka bird. So it's a bird, Chataka.
Imau Hastau, hands. Imau Janakau.
Etau Janakau.
Etau Janakau. Janaka means father.
Hmm.
Tau Devau.
Devo is
God.
gods. Two gods.
Two gods.
All the pronouns also you have to tell. Anyway, pronouns you try to understand. Imau, etau means there's a difference. That which is very close there is etau, which is close is imau, which is far away is tau. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Next person. Umaji. Next sentence.
Yes, Guruji. Now, Sainikau. Those are soldiers.
Those two are soldiers. Or those are two soldiers. Anyway, you can do it. Yes.
Those two are soldiers.
Or those two are two soldiers. That is also understood. Anyway, you can do. Yes.
Those are two soldiers. Correct,
Yes.
Guruji.
Yes.
Etau, Bekau. Bekau, I don't know, Guruji. New meaning.
What's the meaning of Beka? Anybody?
Frog.
Frog. Hmm.
Frog.
Yes.
Those two are frogs. Imau, Vanarau. Those two are monkeys. Thou,
Tau, not thou. Tau.
Tau, Virau. Those two are brave mans.
Brahman. Okay. Next time you can do.
Etau, Chalakau. Those two are drivers. Imau, Dantranyau. Those two are engineers.
Tantranyau.
Dantranyau. Those two are engineers.
Hmm.
Tau, Kupau. Those two are Kupau means well.
Well.
Well, those two are wells. Etau, Karau. Those two are doers.
No, no. Hands. Kara is hand.
Oh,
Karagre vasate Lakshmi. Say Kara
Oh,
is hand.
Karamadhi Saraswati. Etau, Karau. Those two are hands.
Next person.
Thank you.
Prabhakar.
Yes, Guruji. Imau Padayau, Padapau, meaning Pada, something to do with feet.
Padapa is
Padapa.
Vriksha.
Trees.
Trees.
Trees, okay.
Tree. Padapa is tree.
Tau Vrikshikau. Vrikshikau is Vrikshikau.
Need to know vocabulary. Develop your vocabulary.
Yes, Guruji, I'm building on it. It's challenging. but
Vrishika is
Vrikshika.
scorpion.
Scorpion, Vrikshikau. Yetau Ashramau. Ashram.
These two are ashramas.
These two are ashrams. Imau, Gatau. These two are Gatau.
Simple one. But
Pots.
pots.
Pots. Imau, Gatau. Yes, good.
Then te is Prathamavibhakti Bhagavachana. Te means those many or they many, whatever may be, depending on, you can use. Yes, continue. You can read.
Te Vrikshau.
Te vriksha is wrong.
Vrikshaha. Yeah. Te Vrikshaha.
We are doing saha tau te. Te is pullinga prathama vibhakti bhagavachan. That you have to remember. Okay. Te is bhagavachanam. Therefore, it cannot be vrikshav. Vrikshaha.
Vrikshaha.
Saha tau
Te
te.
Vrikshaha.
Vrikshaha vriksha vrikshaha.
Vrikshaha.
Bhagavachanam have to match.
Okay,
Yeah.
Guruji. Te Vrikshaha. And te Mrigaha. Te
What is the meaning?
Mrigaha.
Mrigaha. Animals
Animals. Okay.
or deer. Opening of
Those
that.
many animals. Okay.
They are animals. That's all.
They are animals. Te gajaha, which is they are those many elephants.
They are
They-
elephants.
They are elephants. Te chitrakaraha. They are painters.
Chitrakaraha, not karaha.
Chitrakaraha.
Chitrakaraha, if you say it is ekavachana. Chitrakaraha is the Bhagavachana.
Bhagavachanam. So they are painters.
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 Next person. All these words are given for you to read and understand what it means and develop the vocabulary. Okay. So next one, okay, read the following sentences and understand. Parulji, read slowly, properly.
Yes,
without
sir.
mistakes.
इमे छात्राः ते वानराः एते कपयः ते सौचिकाः इमे पाठाः
What does it mean? Meaning,
छात्राः is student.
these
they
are students.
These are students. Te vanaraha. These are monkeys.
They are monkeys.
They are monkeys. Ete kapayah. Kapayah. Kapayah means
Anybody?
These kapayah.
Others?
Feather.
Monkeys only, no?
Monkeys.
Acha, monkeys.
Kapi Shabda. Ikaranta Shabda.
Huh.
Kapihi. Kapi Kapayaha.
Kapayah.
I don't know what you, Kapayaha means what you think. Ete is there.
Huh.
Ete what vachanam? Listen. First, Ete, answer me. Ete what vachanam? Vachanam.
Bahuvachanam.
Kapayaha therefore what vachanam?
Kapaya is
Ete is Bhagavachanam. Kapayaha must be what vachanam?
Bahuvachanam.
Then if Kapayaha is Bhagavachanam, then what would be the Pratipadikam? Have to think. Hari, he, Hari, Harayaha. Hari is a Pratipadikam. Similarly, Kapayaha. See, allow me to speak. When disturbances are, I cannot speak. And this is not only for you, for everybody also. Those who don't understand, for them also. Just listen, okay? Harayaha is there. Hari is a Pratipadika. Kapayaha is there. Kapi is a Pratipadika. That is how we have to understand the Pratipadika. Kapayaha is there. Don't think Kapaya is a Pratipadikam. Then Kapayaha, if Kapaya is a Pratipadikam, then Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam will be Kapayaha. Bhagavachanam will be Kapayaha. Suppose if it is there, it is not there. I'm just saying if it is there. So Kapayaha, if it is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, then Yete is Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam, doesn't match. This is not a valid sentence. Therefore, Kapayaha cannot be Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. It must be Bhagavachanam. If it is Bhagavachanam, naturally the Pratipadikam must be Ikaranta Shabda. That is how we have to understand. Because you know Shabda, you have to see what Shabda is. Akaranta is ruled out. Then
Yes,
what
sir.
possibility is? Ikaranta.
Okay, sir. Te sauchika. Tailors.
Sauchikaha.
Sauchikaha. These they are tailors.
Yes.
Ime pathaha. These are lessons.
Lessons.
Ete kupaha. Ete kupaha. These are kupa lights.
No. Well. Kupa is well.
These are wells. Te ajaha. They are ajaha. Ajaha is an elephant is different. Ajaha.
Simple word. This is how we started our class.
Yes.
Ajaha.
Goat.
They are
Ajaha
goat.
is
Guha
goat.
ajaha, goat. They are goats. Ime pachakaha. These are drivers.
No.
Pachakaha, drivers.
No, not drivers, cooks.
Cooks.
Cooks. Pachaka. Pachakaha, cooks. Ete kataha. These are kataha.
Kataha means what?
That's I'm saying, sir. Not kataha.
What is the meaning of kataha? Anybody? Nobody knows the meaning? Kata. Kata is mad.
M-A-T, mat.
Yes.
Okay.
If you don't know the meaning, go to the spokensanskritdictionary.org. Find out the popular meaning.
Dictionary
Okay.
org.
Already I've
Okay.
sent you this before. Check the dictionary. But you have to know what it means. That many meanings will be given. Popular meaning you have to take. Okay, continue.
Te ghataha. They are pots.
Oh, those are pots. Oh, they are pots. Whatever may be. Okay, next person.
Those
Apashi.
are pots.
Yes. Next one.
Te nripaha, sorry. I don't know the meaning.
You don't know the meaning.
Nripaha, no.
You have
King.
seen.
Kings.
Mhm.
Okay,
So
continue.
those are pins. Ete vrikshaha, those are trees.
Hmm.
Ime bakaha, those are bakaha. I don't know.
Guys, what's the meaning?
Cranes.
Crane.
Crane. Star. What's the meaning?
Train.
Hmm.
So those are trains. Te chatakaha, those are
Sparrow.
those
Sparrows.
are once again arrows.
Not arrows. Sparrow. Birds. Sparrow. Birds.
No, the birds. Okay. Ete naraha.
All these are simple words. You must be knowing.
Oh, unfortunately, I didn't study it yet, so that's why I don't know. Ime putraha, those are
Nara is human being. So many times we have seen this. Many words are repeated, not new.
okay. So do putraha, those are some boys or
Sons.
sons, yes. Sons, those are sons. Te viraha.
You should develop your vocabulary. Go and read from the beginning. So many words have been said.
Yes.
Putra is a simple word meaning son.
Son, yes.
Veera is warriors.
Ime yodhaha.
Same meaning, warriors only.
These are.
I said just now, warriors. Same
Warriors,
meaning.
okay. Warriors. These are warriors. Ete upadeshaha. These are upadesha.
These are Instructions,
Yeah,
advice,
instruction, some
advices. If it all of
lesson.
advices is there.
the advice.
Hmm.
Te Brgaha, those are
Vigaha, the word we saw just now also.
hmm,
I don't know when I say these words, you are writing it down, all of you. If you don't know the meaning of the words, you have to write it.
Yes, sir. Writing, sir.
Otherwise, it will not stay in your mind. It will go away. It is as good as not read only. Mrigaha, animals or
animals,
deers.
deer or animal.
Just
Yes.
now I said that. Okay, next person, Akankshaji.
Yes, Guru. Ete asandaha. Asanda is chairs, Guruji.
Yes.
Mm. Te lekhakaha. Writers. They
Yes.
are writers. Ime gajaha. These are elephants. Te balakaha. They are students, boys students.
Boys, just boys, not students.
Boys. Ete janakaha. They are fathers. Te devaha. They are gods. Te bhekaha. They are frogs. Ime pathaha. These are lessons. Te rathaha. Those are chariots, Guruji.
Yes.
Ete vrukshaha. Those are trees.
You can complete that.
Okay. Ime ashvaha. These are horses. Te sajjanaha. They are sajjan means
Good people.
good human. Ete shukaha. Those are parrots. Te vatsaha. Though they are calf, no, Guruji?
Yes, yes.
Ime kandukaha. Kandukaha, I don't remember, Guruji.
Ball.
Balls.
These are balls.
Okay.
Next person. Riktastanani Purayata. Deepika. 3 are
Yes,
examples. After that, some example you can do. Yeah.
Yes. Saha kavihi tau kavi te kavayah saha akhuhu. What is the meaning of akhu?
Not Akuhu. Read again.
Akhuhu.
Akuhu, rat.
Rat.
R-A-T, rat.
Oh, okay.
Moshaka is mouse. Akhu is rat.
Okay, Guruji. Tau akhu te akhvah saha pita tau pitarau te pitarah saha ravi
No.
saha ravihi.
Yes.
Saha ravihi tau ravi te ravayah
Yes.
kapihi saha kapihi tau kapi te kapayah.
Good. Next person. Inge Priyaji.
Girihi, no. Te tau saha tau te. Saha girihi tau giri te girayaha.
Girayaha. Okay. Giri meaning?
Mount.
Mountain. Okay.
Saha Shripatihi tau Shripati te Shripatayaha. Shripati is respect.
Vishnu.
Vishnu.
Oh, Acha.
Shri is Lakshmi.
Okay, okay, okay. Saha Agnihi, Tau Agni, Te Agnayah, fire.
Agnayaha,
Saha,
fire. Okay, yeah.
Saha Munihi, Tau Muni, Te Munayah, saint or
Yes, sage.
Saha Udadihi, Tau Udadi, Te Udadayah.
Yes.
Ji,
Udadi
what
is ocean.
Ocean, yes.
Next person, Subbalakshmi.
सः अब्धिः अब्धिः तौ अब्धि ते अब्धयः. What does that mean? Abdi meaning?
Abdi means also ocean only, water, ocean.
Okay, thank you.
There is some noise at your end. Either a fan or something. Noise.
Just a
Background
second.
noise. Background noise is there. I've seen the background noise from your side many times. That's why I
Is that?
keep some noises. It's okay. Please read. But
Saka
after
mani.
that, you can mute your mic. Yeah. Please read.
Saka manihi tau mani te manayaga. Saka pan mani ganta.
No. Panin is the name of the rishi. We
Pani.
just know.
Mani.
Money is bead.
Bead. Okay.
Money is money only.
Okay. Saka panini tau pani.
Paninihi. You have to sing. Don't drop the visarga.
Saka paninihi tau panini te paninayaka.
Yes.
Saka sambuhu tau sambu. No.
It's right only. Tau Shambhu Te
Guru.
Shambhavaha.
Guravaka. Yes. Saka dhatuhu tau dhatu te dhatayaka.
Dhatavaha. You have to read
Dhatavaha.
Guru Shabda again. Guru Shabda practice.
Saka
It's okay. Next person.
manyuku.
Umaji can read.
Yes, Guruji. Saha Manyuhu, Tau Manyu, Te Manyavaha. Saha Sadhuhu, Te Tau Tau Sadhu, Te Sadavaha. Saha Abhimanyuhu, Tau Abhimanyu, Te Abhimanyavaha. Saha
Abhimanyavaha. Okay.
Abhimanyavaha. Saha Data, Tau Datarau, Te Dataraha. Saha Bhakta, Tau Bhaktarau, Te Bhaktaraha.
Prabhakar.
Yes, Guruji. Saha Napta, Tau Naptarau, Te
Naptarau. This is different.
Naptarau. Oh, no.
Sorry, Naptarau. Sorry, it's right. You're right.
Yeah,
Okay, this is
it's
different
like
like Katra Shabda. Yeah.
Kartu Shabda. Okay. So it's Saha Napta, Tau Naptarau, Te Naptaraha.
Uttarane Likantu. For that, you need
Asking
to
the
know the meaning. Meaning is the words you need to know. You need to have vocabulary. Then only you can do this. You can take this as a homework. Please do it. Next class, we will do it in the class. All of you can note this. This, you take this homework, find out the meaning, find out the words, not meaning, find out the words, refer the previous lesson for the vocabulary. And you have to write the question. Okay, this I will skip now.
Guruji, is this posted in the link?
Already I've
the
sent
version
you.
6?
Already
Version
I've sent.
4 is what I...
Already I've sent this long back also.
So,
check that.
well, okay. I thought it was version 4 is what I saw. Okay. I'll check it, Guruji.
Yes. It's the same thing, version 4, version, there's not much difference. And I think this exercise we did, no? Not it.
We did.
Yes, Guruji, we have done this.
We have done this. Okay, then who is that boy? For this also, need to have vocabulary. If you don't have vocabulary, you cannot do this exercise. That is why vocabulary is important. Simple words also, some people don't know that you have to read. Then only you can do the translation of this. Adhodathanam anuvadam likhatha. And it's going to come, a lot of words are going to come. I mean, sentences, you need to know a lot of words. Okay, this also, I give you as a homework. You do it, we will do it in the class. Otherwise, the class, if you don't have vocabulary, if you give, then it will be the effort of the exercise will not be really realized. So, you please take this as homework. Do it in the next class. We will do it in the class. Class itself we will do. Now we will start the feminine noun basis. I move on to the next topic. So far we have seen Pullinga Shabda. Now we are going to see Strilinga Shabda. Ajanta Strilinga Shabda. As I told before, the noun basis ending with long vowels generally they are feminine gender. Generally they are feminine gender. It doesn't mean the short vowel Strilinga words, I mean Strilinga Shabdas are not there. It is also there. So the word has gender. The word has gender. Depending on that, it has to be declined. So when you refer the dictionary, you have to check for the meaning as well as the gender. So now we are going to see, to start with Akaranta. Okay. So it is only a hint or a clue, to find out what gender is. If it ends with long vowels, it should be Strilinga. If it ends with short vowels, it can be Strilinga or Pullinga. Please understand. I didn't say Strilinga Pratipadikam will not end with short vowels. I didn't say. Strilinga Pratipadikam can end with any vowels. If a Pratipadikam ends with long vowel, then it must be Strilinga. Okay, please understand. So now we will start with the first Shabda. Akaranta Strilinga Shabda. Noun basis ending with the vowel A, Dirga, A, not short. A, Rama, Lata, iti. So if you take the Rama Shabda, the last letter is A, Akara. Repa plus Akara plus Makara plus A. So the final letter is if you do Varna Cheda, you can find out. Even when you say, you can find out. Rama Akaranta, Rama Akaranta, Hari Ikaranta, Vadu Ukaranta. Okay. So Rama therefore must be a Strilinga Pratipadikam. Why? Because it ends with long vowel. So Rama is Akaranta Shabda, Strilinga Shabda. Therefore, Akarantaha Strilingaha Rama Shabdaha. That is the description of the Pratipadikam Rama. Meaning, Rama is a Shabda noun base ending with A, the Dirga Akara. Now we are going to decline that. Declination will come. We'll see. Similarly, Lata. Lata is Lata meaning creeper. Rama is the name of the person, Rama or Uma, Parvati, Sita, Rama is. Then Lata, Akarantaha, Strilingaha, Lata, Shabdaha. So similarly, the many words are there. We are given some words. Bala, Bala is girl. Bala is boy. Utpitika, table. The word for table is Utpitika and the gender is Srilinga, feminine gender. Amba, mother. Nasika, nose. Nose of even a male person is Srilinga. Gender is Srilinga. Shobha, Mala, all the names of the river, Yamuna, Narmada, they are Srilinga words. Nisha, Nisha is darkness. Trishna, okay. All these are just for you to be familiar with. Gaika, you can know the meaning also. You can, simple words, all these are. Gaika, singer. Gayaka, singer, male singer. Gaika, female singer. Bharya, wife. Ganga, river. Kanta, that could be a name or that which is attractive. Lalana, woman. Prabha, that which shines. Or the name of the person also. Prabha. Petika, box. Daya, compassion. Durga, difficulty. Mahila, woman. Okay, I'm just replaced all the meanings. So these are some of the example. This example will be useful for you to practice a declension. We will see that. So many words are there. This is for you to read, for reading practice. You please read. If you have difficulty in reading, definitely you have to practice this. To develop reading practice, please read this. And also, when you read, you can find out the meaning and write by the side. It's a very useful exercise for you to develop the vocabulary. This also, you please try, you do it. Because I have given a lot of Sakarata Shabda just for you to read, for reading practice. Now, in the Lalita Sahasranamam or Durga Sahasranamam or any Devi Sahasranamam, you will find Shabdas ending with, you will find the words ending with Akaranta. Even Lalita is Akaranta. All the Devi Stotram, Akaranta, Ikaranta, you will see. Shri Mata, Mata is Matra Shabda, Rikaranta. Don't think Mata is is Akaranta Shabda, it is not Akaranta like Pitru, that is Matra Shabda, that we will see later. Shri Mata, Shri Maharagi, Srimat Simhasaneshwari, Chidagnikunda Sambhuta, that word you take. Chidagnikunda Sambhuta, Akaranta. Okay, Chidagnikunda Sambhuta, Deva Karya Samudyata, Akaranta. Deva Karya Samudyata is one word. There are many compound words in the Sahasranam. In fact, it is a lot of compound words will be there. So you will find many words. I have given some of the words from Lalita Sahasranam. All these are Akaranta Strilinga Shabda. Manorupekshu Kodanda Panchatanmatra Sayaka Nijaruna Prabhapura Majjat Brahmanda Mandala. Those who know Lalita Sahasranam, they can understand.
Yes, Guruji.
Manorupekshu Kodanda, one word. Akarantaha Strilingaha Manorupekshu Kodanda Shabdaha. Udyadbhanu Sahasrabha Akarantaha Strilingaha Udyadbhanu Sahasrabha Shabdaha Aprameya. All these are Akaranta Shabda. This for you to practice, reading practice. You need not know the meaning. For meaning, it is difficult. You cannot refer the dictionary to know the meaning of these words. Why? Because it's a compound word. Compound words, no dictionary. It is compound words or they are coined by the author. The compound words, anybody can join any words. The whole Sanskritam language is made up of these words joining together, the compound words. Some of the basic words are there for which only you can refer dictionary. For compound words, no dictionary. How many dictionary you will have? Because any words can join with any word. And we can make a compound. And the interpretation of the compound also depending on the context. So there is no dictionary for compound because it is purely depends on the author. Even in the Guru Padaka Stotram, you will find a lot of compound words. It's only compound words only. It is, you have to interpret the compound. Any text you take, it will be like that. Only the basic words, for the basic words and the gender, you can refer the dictionary. So here you can see Raga Swarupa Pashadya, Krodha Karam Kushojvala. For you to reading practice, which is very good exercise. All big words. This also you have to practice. I'm skipping this. There is nothing is there to explain. All these are Akaranta Shabda, just to show you that. Okay. I given many words for the practice. The declension part is going to come later. Now I'm introducing the Strilinga Shabda, Akaranta Shabda, then Ikaranta Shabda, noun base ending with the short vowel E. Pullinga also E is there, Strilinga also short E is there. So you need to know the gender of the word. Then only you can decline. Then only you can decline in their respective gender. Okay, Mati. Take for example Mati. Mati is Buddhi, the mind. That is meaning of Mati. It is ending with the short vowel E. It is a feminine gender noun base. Therefore, Ikarantaha, Strilingaha, Mati Shabdaha. It is a description of the noun base, Strilinga noun base, Strilinga Pratipadikam, Mati. The declension of Mati Shabda is like Hari Shabda, only Pratama Vibhakti. If I can say Pratama Vibhakti is same. Other Vibhaktis will differ from Hari Shabda. Don't think same as Hari Shabda. Only Matihi Mati Mateyaha. Then Ditya Vibhakti also same, but other forms will change. It is almost same as Hari Shabda, but some changes that we will see later. Okay, Mati Shabda is Ikaranta Shabda. Similarly, there are other words which I gave here as example. Buddhi. Buddhi also meaning Mati only, same meaning. But Buddhi is Srilinga Ikaranta Shabda. Shakti, Dhriti, Kirti, Stuti, Srishti, Vrishti, Smriti, Jati, Preeti, Mukti, Ruchi, Bhumi, Kanti, Murti. Remember, these are Strilinga Shabda. Okay, so you can read this, all this for your reading practice. I'm skipping this also because for you to read, we'll come back to this. I can give you exercise from this for the Shabda later. But now nothing is there, only reading. The next Shabda is Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda. That is the noun base ending with the long vowel E. Example, Nadi. Nadi is a Pratipadikam ending with the long vowel E. Nakara plus Akara plus Takara plus E. For every Anta, we take one Shabda as master Shabda. Like Akaranta, we took Rama as the master Shabda. We are going to see the declension. That's why master Shabda. Similarly, Mati is Ikaranta. And Ikaranta, Nadi. So Nadi is Ikarantaha, Strilingaha, Nadi Shabdaha. So Ikaranta Shabda also you will find in Devi Stotrams. Lalita Sahasramandal, you will see a lot of Ikaranta. Maharagi, Srimad Simhasaneshwari, all these are Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda. Some examples given here: Gauri, Vapi, Janani, Mother, Nagari, Bhavani, Kali, Rudrani, Tantri, Patri, Lakshmi, Parvati, Kumari. The many words are there. Okay, this is enough. So I have introduced Akaranta, Ikaranta, Ikaranta. Now I will tell you the declension of Akaranta. And then I will come back and continue other Shabda. Now, Pratama Vibhakti declension of Akaranta Shabda. I am jumping. I have skipped some of the Shabda in between. We will come to that later. So let me explain the the declension of Akaranta Shabda so that you can practice. So this week, 1 week time, you can practice this. Okay, now Rama is Akaranta Strilinga Shabda we said. Now Pratama Vibhakti, the declension would be Rama, Rame, Ramaha. Rama is one Rama, Ekavachana. Rame is two Ramas. Ramaha is Bhagavachana. Rama, Rame, Ramaha. Lata, Late, Lataha. So you can decline like that. Simple. If you see, Rama, what happens here? The last letter is A. In Pratama Vibhakti, what happens? That Akara is replaced by Akara. It means nothing happens. The form is same. Visarga not there. You have to note. Rama is no Visarga there. Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, no Visarga. Then in Dvivachanam is Rama, that Akara is replaced by Ye. Akara and Rama, you remove it. What is left out? Ram. Ram plus Ye, Rame. Similarly, in Bhagavachanam, Rama is there. Akara, you remove it, replace it by Aha. You get Ramaha. Can you understand what I'm saying, all of you?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
That is what I have written here. Repa plus Akara plus Makara plus A is equal to Repa plus A plus Makara plus A is equal to Rama. That is Ekavachanam. And Dvivachanam, Repa plus Akara plus Makara plus Akara is equal to, replace Akara by Ye. That is why in different color it is given. A is the last letter of the Rama Shabda replaced by Ye. So Repa plus A plus Makara plus Ye will become Rame. It is Dvivachanam. And Bhagavachanam, A is replaced by Aha. Now, you can read this. Next person. After, I'll start from the beginning. Parulji, you can read. Describe and then read. Lata,
Lata.
describe the noun base.
Okay, sir. So, Akaranta.
First itself the noun. Is
Sorry,
it
sorry.
Akaranta?
No, Akaranta. Sorry, sir. Akarantaha, Strilingaha, Lata, Shabdaha.
Lata Shabdaha, not Lata. Why don't you stretch it?
Lata, Shabdaha.
Yes.
Ekvachanam, Lata, Dvivachanam, Late, Bahuvachanam, Lataha.
You can just read Lata, Late, Lataha. That is enough. Continue.
Okay. Akarantaha,
Read again. Say again.
Akarantaha,
Yes.
Strilingaha,
What linga?
Strilingaha,
Oh, okay.
Strilingaha, Vidya, Shabdaha.
Vidya Shabdaha. You have to make the show the difference by saying Ah.
Okay, sir. Vidya, Shabdaha. Vidya, Vidye, Vidyaha.
Read the next one.
Akarantaha, Strilingaha, Nisha, Shabdaha. Nisha, Nishe, Nishaha.
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 Not Nishaha. Nishaha.
Nishaha.
Akoshji, next one. Next to 3. Find out the meaning from the dictionary later.
Akarantaha, Srilingaha, Lalana Shabdaha, Lalana, Lalane, Lalanaha. Akarantaha, Strilingaha, Ganga Shabdaha, Ganga, Gange, Gangaha. Akarantaha, Strilingaha, Atmaja Shabdaha, Atmaja, Atmaje, Atmajaha.
Next person. Akankshaji.
आकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः द्वारका शब्दः द्वारका द्वारके द्वारकाः। आकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः लज्जा शब्दः। लज्जा, लज्जे, लज्जाः। आकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः चिन्ता शब्दः। चिन्ता, चिन्ते, चिन्ताः।
Next person, Deepika ji.
Yes, Guruji. आकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः आशा शब्दः। आशा, आशे, आशाः। आकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः चण्डिका शब्दः। चण्डिका, चण्डिके, चण्डिकाः। आकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः परीक्षा शब्दः। परीक्षा, परीक्षे, परीक्षाः।
Next person, Yajnapriya ji. Udaharan drishtva riktasthanani purayantu. Now you should know this shabda. Then only you can do. I hope you know. Rama Rame Ramaha. Please read this and fill in the blanks.
लता लते लताः माला माला माले मालाः मूषिके
Not Mushika. Read properly. That is some
Sorry.
Mushika.
भक्षिके भक्षिका भक्षिके भक्षिकाः
The first column is Pratipadikam. Okay.
भक्षिका
Yeah, the first column is Pratipadikam. Lata, Lata, 2 times, not 2 times. Lata is first column is Akarantaha, Srilingaha, Lata Shabdaha, Lata, Late, Lata. Okay, read.
Now this is Yamuna. आकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः यमुना शब्दः। यमुना, यमुने, यमुनाः। आकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः द्विचक्रिका शब्दाः।
Shabdaha.
द्विचक्रिका, द्विचक्रिके, द्विचक्रिकाः।
Next person, Subhalakshmi ji.
आकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः क्रीडा शब्दः। क्रीडा
Shabdaha.
शब्दः। क्रीडा, क्रीडे, क्रीडाः।
Kridaha. Okay.
क्रीडाः। शाटिका आकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः शाटिका शब्दः। शाटिका, शाटिके, शाटिकाः।
The word is Shabdaha, not Sabdaha. Shabdaha.
शब्दः।
Okay, continue.
शिला आकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः शिला शब्दः।
Yes.
शिला, शिले, शिलाः।
Continue.
पिपीलिका
Pipilika.
पिपीलिका आकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः पिपीलिका शब्दः।
Pipilika Shabdaha.
पिपीलिका शब्दः। पिपीलिका,
Pipilika.
पिपीलिका, सॉरी, पिपीलिका, पिपीलिके, पिपीलिकाः। दया आकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः दया शब्दः। दया, दये, दयाः।
Next person, Umaji.
Yes, Guruji. आकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः छाया शब्दः। छाया
Shabdaha.
शब्दः। छाया, छाये, छायाः।
Chayaha.
छायाः। आकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः अयोध्या शब्दः। अयोध्या, अयोध्ये, अयोध्याः। आकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः शकुन्तला शब्दः। शकुन्तला, शकुन्तले, शकुन्तलाः। आकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः सेना शब्दः। सेना, सेने, सेनाः। आकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः शबा शब्दः। शबाः, शबे, शबाः।
Sabha, Sabhe, Sabhaha.
शबा, शबे, शबाः।
Next person, Prabhakarji.
Yes, Guruji. Akarantah Srilingah Vasudha Shabdah. Vasudha, Vasude, Vasudaha. Jyotsna Shabdah. Akarantah Srilingah Jyotsna Shabdah. Jyotsna, Jyotsne, Jyotsnaha.
Jyotsna means moonlight. Okay.
Moonlight. Okay.
That's all. We can stop here. This Shabda for you to practice. Please take this as homework. You don't have to do everything. Just take some 15 Shabda. You can do Pratama Vibhakti, your choice. Take different words from this and find out the meaning also from the dictionary. It's a good exercise. Each one of you can take different words and then decline. All are Akaranta, Srilinga Shabda. Next class we will see Ikaranta, Ikaranta, other Shabda. Once we finish it, then we can practice from the book, Rashtriya Samskrita Samsthan. Lot of words. Exercise are there. We will practice. So we'll stop here. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Doubts are there?
Guruji, I had a question. What does Asi mean, Guruji?
Asi is sword.
Sword, okay.
It is Pullinga Shabda.
Yes. Thank you.
Any other doubts? Please practice. Don't give gap for reading. Daily at least 15 minutes. Develop your vocabulary. It's important. Whatever words we have seen, just read those from the beginning of this book. Just read and volume and before one that is simple. The akshara was there at the end of that book also. The words and meanings are there. Please see that. Okay, we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
Thank you, Guruji.
Thank you.
Dhanyawad.
Thank you, Guruji.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste, Guruji.
Namaste ji.